Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Anissa Mujahidah Yahya, and I will explain about conditional sentence. The first is definition. Conditional sentences are compound sentences that have a condition about imagination, supposition, and something that has never happened. This supposition may or may not materialize. Part of conditional sentence. A conditional sentence consists of an independent clause and a dependent clause, which usually start with the word if. Conditional sentence is an if clause plus main clause. If clause is a clause that is part of the conditional. The main clause is a sentence that contains the consequence of the conditional condition at the beginning of the sentence. Second is example of conditional sentence. A. If I save enough money, I can go to Bali this year. B. My sister can have dessert if she finishes her homework. And the third type of conditional sentence. There are 4 types of conditional sentence. The first is type 0, the second is type 1, the third is type 2, and the fourth is type 3. Type 1. The zero conditional sentence is used to express a fact with the formula if then. For example, 1. If it rains, the roads will be wet. 2. If it is hot, the clothes dry quickly, and so on. These two sentences are called conditional sentence 0 because they reveal a fact that many people already know. The zero conditional sentence is usually found in the present tense formula if plus simple present, simple present. Type 1 conditional sentence. Type 1 sentence is a form of conditional sentence that is used to express the consequence or result that are likely to occur in the future. The first conditional sentence uses a sentence with a simple future formula if plus simple present, simple future tense. For example, A. If you tell your mom the truth, she will forgive you. Next, type 2. Conditional sentence. Type 2 is a conditional sentence that is used to express the consequence or the result can be realized, even though the probability is very small for it to happen. The second conditional sentence is very suitable to be used to express dreams and wishful thinking. The second conditional sentence uses would, could, and may, which is used to explain how much the condition will occur. Formula if plus past tense and past future. For example, if I were you, I would continue my study to get a master's degree. Type 3. The third conditional sentence is a conditional sentence that is used when you want to express a conditional that cannot possibly be realized at all. This is because the conditions are very expected or just an imagination. In the third type of conditional sentence, the past perfect tense is used and auxiliary modal is all would, should, and could. Formula if plus past perfect and future perfect. For example, if I hadn't broken my arm, I would have traveled to Bali with my boyfriend. I think that's all about a conditional sentence. If I have some mistake, please forgive me. Thanks. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.